Good morning children. In the last class we have learned about the addition of fraction. Today let us learn about subtraction of fraction. Okay children? Today let us learn about subtraction of fraction. Let us now subtract 17 by 20 from 46 by 15. Okay children? Now let us try to subtract 17 by 20 from 46 by 15. Okay children? 46 by 15 minus 17 by 20. So these are unlike fractions. For subtractions, we have to make them into like fractions. Okay children? These are unlike fractions. For subtracting, we have to make this into like fractions. For making these fractions into like fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Let us find out the LCM of 15 and 20. Let us find out the LCM of 15 and 20. 15 and 20 are in 5 table. 15 and 20 are in 5 table. 5 goes in 15 3 times. 5 goes in 20 4 times. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 5 into 3 into 4. Okay children? 5 into 3 into 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 4s are 60. 5 3s are 15 and 15 4s are 60. So 60 is the LCM. So we have to write down 60 as the denominator. 60 is the LCM. So we have to write down 60 as the denominator. Okay children? Now we have to check how many times 15 goes in 60. Now we have to check how many times 15 goes in 60. So by finding the LCM, we have made them into like fractions. Now we have to check how many times 15 goes in 60. 15 goes in 60 4 times. 15 goes in 60 4 times. 4 into numerator. Here the numerator is 46. So 4 into numerator. 4 into numerator, which is 46, minus 20 goes in 60 how many times? 3 times. 3 into numerator. Here the numerator is 17. Did you understand children? 15 goes in 20 4 times. 4 into numerator. Here the numerator is 46 minus 20 goes in 60 3 times. So 3 into numerator. Here the numerator is 17. Okay children? If you don't know how many times 50 goes in 60, you can divide. Let me show you. Okay children? If you don't know how many times 15 goes in 60, you can divide. So 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. So you can divide and find out how many times 15 goes in 60. You can divide and find out how many times 15 goes in 60. So 15 goes how many times? 4 times. So 4 into numerator, which is 46. Now let us check by dividing how many times 20 goes in 60. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. So 20 goes 3 times in 60. So 3 into numerator, which is 70. If you don't know how many times this number goes in this, you can divide and find out. Okay children? You can divide and find out the answer. So here the quotient is 4. 4 into numerator, which is 46. Here the quotient is 3. 3 into numerator, which is 17. Okay children? Did you understand? Now let us multiply 46 with 4. 46 with 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are 16. 17 18. It is 184. 4 into 46 is 184. 4 into 46 is 184 minus. Let us multiply 17 with 3. Let us multiply 17 with 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 ones are 3. plus 2, 5. So it is 51 by 60. So how we got 184? 4 into 46 is 184. 3 into 17 is 51. Now we have to subtract 51 from 184. Now we have to subtract 51 from 184 because here the symbol is minus. So let us subtract 51 from 184. Okay children. 184 minus 51. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 1. So the answer is 133 by 60. So the answer is 133 by 60. So this is the way of doing the subtraction. Okay children. Okay children. So this is the answer. This is the way of doing the subtraction. Okay children. Now let us do practice zone 5 in page number 80 textbook. Okay children. Now let us do practice zone 5 in page number 80 textbook. Okay. Okay children, now let us do the A sum. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. Now let us do practice zone 5. The question is subtract the following. Now let us do the A sum. The A sum is 46 by 5 minus 92 by 10. 46 by 5 minus 92 by 10. So these are unlike fractions. Let us make them into like fractions by finding the LCM. So let us find out the LCM for 5 and 10. For subtracting, first we have to make the unlike fractions into like fractions and at the last we have to subtract. For making the unlike fractions into like fractions, we have to find out the LCM. So let us take the 5 table. 5 goes in 5 one time, 5 goes in 10 2 times. So the LCM is 5 into 2. So 5 2s are 10. So here the LCM is 10. So now let us write down the 10 as the denominator. Now let us write the 10 as the denominator. So how many times 5 goes in 10? 5 goes in 10 2 times. 5 goes in 10 2 times. 2 into, here the numerator is how much? 46. So we have to multiply it with the numerator which is 46 minus, how many times 10 goes in 10? 1 time. So 1 into 92. 1 into 92. Did you understand children? 5 goes in 10 2 times. 2 into numerator which is 46. 10 goes in 10 1 time. 1 into numerator which is 92. So now let us multiply 2 with 46. 46 into 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So 92 minus 192s are 92 by 10. So 92 minus 92 by 10. So 92 minus 92 is how much? 92 minus 92 is 0. 0 by 10 which is equals to 0. Here the answer is 0. Did you understand children? Now let us move to the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. Now let us do the B sum. So the B sum is 109 by 12 minus 17 by 6. So now we have to subtract 17 by 6 from 109 by 12. Now we have to make these unlike fractions into like fractions by finding the LCM. Let us find out the LCM of the denominators, which are 12 and 6. So let us take 2 table. 2 goes in 12 how many times? 6 times. 2 goes in 6 how many times? 3 times. Let us take 3 table. 3 goes in 6 2 times. 3 goes in 3 1 time. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Here the LCM is 12. Now let us write down the 12 as the denominator. Now let us write down the 12 as the denominator. Now let us check how many times 12 goes in 12. 12 goes in 12 1 time. So 1 into numerator. Here the numerator is 109. Here the numerator is 109. So we have to multiply 1 with the numerator minus 6 goes in 12 how many times? 2 times. 6 goes in 12 2 times. 6 goes in 12 2 times. 2 into numerator. Here the numerator is 70. Here the numerator is 70. Now let us multiply. 1 into 109 is 109 minus 2 into 17 is 34. 2 17s are 34 by 12. Now let us subtract 34 from 109. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 75 by 12. Okay children? The answer is 75 by 12. Did you understand children? This is the way of doing the subtraction. Okay children? This is the way of doing the subtraction. Now let us do the CSUM. Now let us do the CSUM. 81 by 12 minus 31 by 9. 81 minus 12 by 31 minus 9. So these are unlike fractions. Now we have to change them into like fractions. For changing these numbers into like fractions, we have to find out the LCM of 12 and 9. Now let us find out the LCM of 12 and 9. 12 and 9 are in 3 table. 3 goes in 12 4 times. 3 goes in 9 3 times. So LCM is equals to 3 into 4 into 3. 3 into 4 into 3. So here the LCM is 3 into 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM. Now let us write down 36 as the denominator. After finding the LCM, we have to write down the 36 as the denominator. Now how many times 12 goes in 36? 12 goes in 36 3 times. 12 goes in 36 3 times. 3 into. Children, here you can find out by reading the table, or you can divide 36 by 12 and find out how many times 12 goes in 36. Okay children, you can also divide and find out how many times 12 goes in 36. Already I have shown you in the example sum. So in that way you can divide and find out how many times 12 goes in 36. Okay children, 3 into numerator, which is 81 minus, now how many times 9 goes in 36? 9 goes 4 times in 36. So 9 4s are 36. So 9 goes 4 times in 36. 4 into the numerator is 31. 4 into numerator, which is 31. Now let us multiply 81 with 3. So let us multiply 81 with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. The answer is 243 minus 243 minus minus. Now let us see how many times 9 goes in 34. Now let us multiply 4 with 31. Sorry children. Now let us multiply 4 with 31. 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 124 by 36. 124 by 36. Now let us subtract. 124 from 243. Now let us subtract. So minus 124. So 3 after borrowing will become 13. 4 will become 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 119 by 36. So the answer is 119 by 36. Did you understand children? This is the way of doing the subtraction. Addition and subtraction are done in the same way. In both the sums, what we have to do is first we have to find out the LCM and change the unlike fractions into like fractions. After changing them, in the last, for the addition in the last we have to do we have to add the numbers, whereas in subtraction we have to subtract the numbers. And see, both the methods are similar. For addition and subtraction the methods are similar. So in addition we have to add the numbers, whereas in subtraction we have to subtract the numbers. Okay children, did you understand how to subtract the numbers? So all of subtract the fractions. Okay children, so all of you do D-sum in practice zone 5 for homework. Okay children, you all do the D-sum in the practice zone 4. So practice zone 5 for homework. All of you do D-sum in practice zone 5 for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.